ఇది స్లైడ్ మీద స్టార్ట్ ఫ్రమ్ ఫస్ట్ స్లైడ్ కొట్టాలంటే ఇది ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయాలి, మినిమైజ్ చేయాలి. ఇక్కడ దాంట్లో ఉంది, పీపీటీ ఉంది. మనం స్టార్ట్ ఫ్రమ్ ఫస్ట్ స్లైడ్ అని కొట్టాలి కదా, అది కొట్టాలంటే ఇట్లా కాదు. ఇప్పుడు మళ్ళీ ఫోర్త్ మనం భయంగా ఉంది. ఏం స్టార్ట్ ఫ్రమ్ ఫస్ట్ స్లైడ్ పైన లేదు. ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి? దీని మీద కొట్టాలండి. దాని మీద పీపీటీ మీద కొట్టాలా? కొట్టాను, ఏం రావట్లేదు. పీపీటీ మీద కొట్టి ఆ పీపీటీ మీద మళ్ళీ కొట్టాలా? అంటే వాట్సాప్లో కొట్టాలా? మళ్ళీ అవసరం లేదు. రైట్ సైడ్లో రైట్ సైడ్లో అంటే ఎక్కడ? ఇది యారోనా? ఆడియో మిక్సర్ నావిగేటర్. డైరెక్ట్గా నేను వాట్సాప్లోకి వెళ్ళకుండా డైరెక్ట్గా కింద ఉంది కదా, అదే పెట్టాను పైన దాంట్లో, అంతే కదా? కదా పెట్టాను. ఇక్కడ మరి దేని కొట్టాలి? దీని కొట్టాలా? 1 సెకండ్ సార్, 1 మినిట్ సార్, సారీ. సార్ చెప్పండి సార్. ఎడిట్ పైన ఉంది. ఎడిట్ ఉంది సార్. నొక్కాను. స్టార్ట్స్ ఫ్రమ్ ఫస్ట్ స్లైడ్ అని మామూలుగా వస్తుంది అది. అంటే అది ఇక్కడ రావట్లేదు. మరి అంటే అది ఇక్కడ ఉంది సార్. సరే, అర్థమైంది సార్. స్లైడ్ షో దీని పైన ఉంది సార్. ఓకే, అది రావట్లేదు ఏంటి? అది రావట్లేదు స్లైడ్ షో మీద కొట్టాను సార్, రావట్లేదు. వచ్చాను 8 డాక్యుమెంట్ 8 డాక్యుమెంట్ లైట్ షో మీద కొట్టాను. లైట్ షో మీద ఆటోమేటిక్ వస్తుంది, రావట్లేదు. ఆ రోజు దీనివల్లనే పోయింది. పైన సార్ 8 మీద కొట్టాను. 8 దీని మీద కూడా ఉంది, నా మీద కూడా ఉంది. అంటే మెయిన్ టీవీ ల్యాప్టాప్ మీద కూడా ఉంది, పైన దీని మీద కూడా ఉంది. 8 కొట్టిన తర్వాత 8 మీద కొడితే యారో రావట్లేదు. లైట్ ఆటోమేటిక్ వస్తుంది. మళ్ళీ వాట్సాప్లోకి వెళ్ళాలి సార్. నావిగేటర్ అంటే ఇంకో పక్కన ఇంకో బాక్స్ ఉంది. నావిగేటర్ ఉంది. లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ ఉంది దానికి. ఇదా రైట్ సైడ్ లాస్ట్ నావిగేటర్ కి అడ్జసెంట్ లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ అడ్జసెంట్ లో ఉంది ఒకటి. దీని మీద లేకపోతే సార్ వాట్సాప్ లోకి వెళ్తే వస్తున్నాను కూడా నాకు. సారీ, వాట్సాప్ లోకి వెళ్ళాడు. అడిగేస్తాను. ఎర్రర్ అని వస్తుంది. దాని మీద కొట్టిన తర్వాత వస్తుంది. ఎడిట్ డాక్యుమెంట్ మీద కొట్టాలా? కానీ ఇక్కడ ఎర్రర్ అని వస్తుంది ఏంటో. ఇంటూ నుంచి యూజర్స్ యాప్ డేటా ఏదో వచ్చింది. ఓకే. అది ఓకే. అది ఓకే కొట్టాలా? నో కొట్టాలా? ఆ! ఇప్పుడు వచ్చింది. ఇప్పుడు వస్తుంది సార్. ఇది చూడండి ఒకసారి చూసేస్తాను. స్లైడ్ షో. వచ్చింది సార్. వాట్సాప్ సార్. ఇప్పుడు వచ్చేసింది సార్. ఆ, పర్లేదు మీరు మీరు నేను చూస్తాను. నేను ఇప్పుడు వస్తుందిలే క్లాస్. నేను ఫస్ట్ రోజు మీరు పెట్టాను సార్. చూడండి స్టార్ట్ చేయమని చేసేస్తాను. వస్తుంది సార్. చూడండి ఒక్క నిమిషం నేను ఇక్కడ పెడతాను. ఒక ఈక్వేషన్ రాస్తాను. చూడండి అది. సరే వస్తుంది కదా. మన ప్రాబ్లం ఉంటే చెప్పండి సార్. ఒకసారి చూసి 2 మినిట్స్ వాళ్ళు స్టార్ట్ చేసేస్తున్నాను సార్. ఐఎమ్ స్టార్టింగ్ నౌ. ఓకే సార్. ఓకే. అదే ఇప్పుడు జస్ట్ రాస్తాను. కనపడుతుంది లేదు చూడండి. ఇంకా ఇంకా ఉందిలేండి. 1 మినిట్. ఈ పెన్ పట్టుకోవాలి. పెన్ ఇప్పుడు సార్ కనపడుతుంది సార్. చూడండి కనపడుతుంది కదా. ఒక మాస్ 10 kg రాశారు. నేను కంటిన్యూ అయిపోతాను సార్. ఏమైనా ఉంటే చూడండి. ఒక 3 మినిట్స్ తర్వాత ఓకే. ఎప్పుడు ఇప్పుడు స్టార్ట్ చేశాను కదా. దీంతో 1 అవర్. ఇప్పటి నుంచి 1 అవర్ చెప్తే చాలు. ఇప్పటి నుంచి ముందు 10:45 టైం 10:50 అయింది సార్. 11:50 పర్వాలేదు కదా. ఓకే సార్. ఓకే సార్. స్టార్ట్ చేస్తాను. రైట్ రైట్. Students, my dear students, JEE main examination in January last week. In that point of view, we are dealing the problems. We are dealing the problems. We are dealing the problems for JEE main. JEE main. What are the chapters we are doing? What chapters we are doing is work power energy. He has given the heading here. First we'll do work power energy. Later on waves and wave optics are there. This is the chapter some problems. So these are very important problems. I am Srinivasan, physics lecturer from Spark Academy. Through Spark Academy I'm telling. So these problems will be useful for you for your preparation. So this is a last minute preparation when you are doing what type of problems you are do. That those problems are important problems are selected and we are doing them. So mass of a block of mass 10 kg starts sliding on a surface with an initial velocity of 9.8 meters per second. This is the mass. So it is moving with a velocity 9 point u velocity 9.8 meter per second. 9.8 meters per second. Coefficient of friction is there. This is the friction surface. Coefficient of friction is there. So finally it comes to rest. Finally this will come to rest. Why it is coming to rest? Due to frictional force. Due to frictional force it is coming to rest. So this is the frictional force we are having. Due to that it coming to rest. So what is the distance covered is telling. Before coming to rest, what is the distance covered? S is called distance covered. How to do this? We are doing by work energy theorem. By doing by work energy theorem. Work energy theorem to what is work here? Work is nothing but normal reaction, mu n. Normal reaction is given by mg here. What is normal reaction? Normal reaction is nothing but given by mg here. So mu mg and distance mu n into work done is nothing but force into distance mu mgs. This is equal to change in kinetic energy. What is change in kinetic energy? This is negative work. So initial of mu square minus finally it comes to rest. Finally it is 0. Therefore it will become this will become work done is equal to delta k. Work done is equal to delta k. What is work done? Half M value nothing but what? 10. U square. U square means how much? 9.8 whole square. Change in kinetic energy. What is change in kinetic energy? Half change in kinetic energy over. This is change in kinetic energy. This is delta K actually. So burden is nothing but mu mgs. Mu m g value 9.8. Distance you have to find out. So now you find out. This is called work energy theorem. So mu value has given. What is mu value is given? 0.5 is given. 9.8 square it goes. So here then mu value is nothing but 0.5. I'll write again equation here, this calculation here. Half into 10 into 9.8. Half into 10 into 9.8 is nothing but equal mu 0.5. 0.5 into 100. 0.5 into 100 into S. 0.5 into 100 into S. 0.5 into 100. Why you are getting 100? Mu, not 100, mu mgs, right? Half 10, 9.8 whole square, mu mg. Mg means 10 into G, 9.8, 10 into 10. G 9.8, right? So only 10, sorry. Mu, mass of the block is nothing but only 10, right? So this is nothing but equal to 0.5 into 10 into S. 0.5 into 10 into 0.5 into 9.8 has gone there. 0.5 into 10 into 0.5 into 10 into 10 into 0.5 is how much? 5s. Nothing but 5s. So this is nothing but 5 times. 5 and 9.8, 49. So 5s is equal to 49. 5s is equal to 49. I am writing here. I think your students you are seeing. 5s is nothing but 49. S value will become equal to 9.8 meters. S value will be equal to 9.8 meters. This is the answer. Again, I am telling the concept. There is a block which is moving with the initial velocity 9.8 due to friction it is stopping. So you are using work done is equal to change in kinetic energy. What is work done by frictional force? Frictional force means friction force is mu n into distance is s, mu m gs. Delta K, change in kinetic energy. Initial kinetic energy minus final kinetic energy because this work done is negative. So initial minus final you are doing. So if you do the calculation, remaining is calculation only. You do calculation, this is 10 only student, this is 10 only, this is 10. Mu into m 10 9.8 into s 9.8 9.8 square goes half 10 and 9.8 0.5 into 10 into s. So 5s is equal to 49, s is equal to 9.8 meters. Okay, now there is another question here. This question is particularly not only work power energy. This is a question we'll read first. A boy ties a stone of mass 100 grams to the end of the 2 meters long string and whirls around a horizontal plane. So whirls around in a horizontal plane like this, the horizontal plane. So length is 2 meters. So radius is nothing but length. The radius is nothing but equal length 100 grams. This is 100 grams mass. The string can withstand a maximum tension. So the tension is pulling the hand, right? Tension, this is tension. Tension is equal to how much? Tension is nothing but equal to 80 newtons. Students, tension is nothing but 80 newtons. Don't see this line. So pen overwritten here. Tension. Tension will give you what? Centripetal force here. So it's moving with, let us say, omega. Because he's asking the maximum speed with which a stone can revolve is k by pi revolution per minute. K by pi revolution per minute. Revolution per minute, RPM. Revolution per minute, RPM. That is called omega. So what is the revolution per minute? That is nothing but omega. So tension is equal to centripetal force here. This is a horizontal circle. Tension will nothing get equal to mr omega square. Mr omega. Omega is called angular velocity. What is omega? Angular velocity. R is called radius. Radius means length. Radius is nothing but equal to length. Length of the string, that is nothing but 2 meters. He has given a boy ties the stone of mass 100 grams, m is 100 grams, to the end of a 2-meter long string. 2-meter long string. 2-meter long string means radius is equal, length is equal to 2 meters. It can withstand a maximum tension how much? 80 newtons. This is called maximum speed amount. This is called maximum. This is maximum. This is called maximum. So now tension is nothing but 80, mass 100 grams. 100 grams means you are converting SI system 100 by 1000. Radius is nothing but 2 meters omega square. So here 100, 2 zeros get cancelled. 2 goes 40 times here. So omega square you will get it as 400. 40 into 10 omega square you will get it as 400. That means omega is how much? 20. but 20 radian by second. Actually, you will get the answer as a system radian by second. So how to convert in revolution per minute? There is a rule here, but it's not there. It is not there. So once again, I'll write here omega square. This is not there. Omega is nothing but 20. Omega is nothing but 20 radian by second. 20 radian by second. Pi by 30. Pi by 30 radian by second is nothing but equal to 1 RPM. Revolution per minute means 1 revolution per minute. This is a rule here. So radians per second. This is SI system. But revolution per minute is pi by 30. That is easy. You will have 1 revolution per second is pi by 30 radians per second. So 20 radians per second. 20 radians per second is how many revolution per minute? So 20 by pi by 30. 600 by pi you will get. The answer is you will get how much? 600 by pi. 600 by pi RPM you will get. 600 by pi. This answer is nothing but how much? 600 by pi. K by 600. Yes, when what is the answer here? The answer is K is nothing but 600 by pi. Revolution per minute. Revolution per minute. So K by pi. K by pi. K by pi is nothing but 600 by pi revolution per minute. So K value is how much? 600. T 80 newtons. Tension is equal to centripetal force. MR omega square is called centripetal force. R is nothing but length. Length is nothing but how much? 2 meters. After doing calculation, omega 20 I am getting. Pi by 30 radians per second is 1 revolution per minute. You have to remember this. 20 radians per second is nothing but how much? 20 radians per second. 20 radians per second is how much? How many revolution per? This is coming as 20 by pi by 30. 600 by pi. So K by pi 600 by pi. K value is how much now? K value is nothing but simplifies that K value is nothing but 600. So K value is nothing but 600. This is called integer type question. This is called integer type question. Okay, friends. Now it is this question. It's a variable force. A particle experiences a variable force. F is equal to F bar is nothing but 4x I cap plus 3y square j cap in a horizontal xy plane. Very good problem. A particle experiences a variable force F bar is equal to 4x I cap plus 3y square j cap in a horizontal xy plane. Assume distance in meters and force in newtons. The particle moves from the point 1, 2 to the point 2, 3 in xy plane. Initial coordinates x1, y1 is 1, 2. x2, y2 is 2, 3. Next weapon. What is the kinetic energy changes by? Work done is nothing but change in kinetic energy. Work done is nothing but equal to what? Change in kinetic energy. So work done you find out that will be equal to change in kinetic energy. This is called change in kinetic energy. How to find work done? Variable force he told. This is called variable force. So variable force means dW is nothing but equal to integration. Integral is nothing but equal to F dot dr. Dr means this is called position vector. This is called position vector. So dW variable force. So it's small work done. What is dW? Small work done. Total work done is equal to what? Change in kinetic energy. That's what he wants actually. F is nothing but equal to what is F? F 4x I cap plus 3y square j cap dot dr. What you will write? Dx I cap plus dy j cap. Dr means what? Xi plus yj cap na. So dy j cap will get. Dy j cap. So dy j cap will get. Okay, student. Now you do multiplication. Dot product. I bar dot I bar is 0. 4x dx will get 4x 4x dx first term. So you don't see this one. 2x pen problem is there here. 4x dx plus 3y square dy will get. This is called dw. What is total work done? Integration you have to. Total work done means integration 4x dx plus 3y square dy. So integration to both terms here. Integration to both the terms. So what I will do integration I am doing here. Limits is what? X coordinate 1 here, x1, x2 is 2 here. For x coordinate integration limits you are giving. What is the limit? Lower limit is 1, upper limit is 2. 1 to 2, 4, take it out, integral x dx plus 3 you can take it out, integration y square by coordinate y square dy. Y square dy. What are the limits for integration? What is the limit of 2 to 3 here? Limits for integration is 2 to 3. This is called different integration. Y1 coordinate is 2, y3, y2 coordinate is, y1 coordinate is 2, y3. Now integration method of mathematics students, you know, because this is JEE main exam, only mathematics students will write. Integral x dx is nothing but x square by 2. It is nothing but equal to x square by 2. Between the limits 1, 2 plus 3. Integration of y square. Integration of y square is nothing but y cube by 3. Integration is nothing but equal to y cube by 3. Y cube by 3. Between the limits, what are the limits here? 2 to 3. Between the limits 2 to 3 here. Okay, student. This 2 will get cancelled with this 2. This is the number. This 3 gets cancelled here. You have to apply the answer now. Work done is nothing but here. Of this step, here is there. No? I think you are seeing the steps, all of you, in this step. So work done is nothing but equal to x square. 2 is there. Limits. Wherever x is there, 2 you apply. 2 square. 4. 2 square. 4. 4 minus 1. Wherever x is 2 square. 4. 4 minus 1. 2 into 4 minus 1. Upper limit minus lower limit. 3 gets cancelled here. Y cube. Y cube means 3 cube. Plus y cube means 27. 27. Y cube means 27 minus 8. Upper limit minus lower limit. This is 27. This is nothing but equal to 27. This is nothing but 27. So work done, what will happen? 2 into 3, 6 plus 27 minus 8. 27 minus 8 means how much? 19. 19 plus 6 how much? 25 joules. 19 minus 5. Work done is nothing but, this answer is nothing but how much? Work done is nothing but change in kinetic energy, that is nothing but equal to 25 joules. 25 joules here. So answer is this. So I think you understood work done is equal to change in kinetic energy. Again, work energy theorem is very, very famous. So here, when he is giving variable force is variable. How can you know? It depends on x and y. So variable force, variable with position. So 4x I cap plus 3y square j cap. dr means what? dx I cap plus dy j cap. dy j cap. So in your whenever you open this whole YouTube, when you move this left side to right side, you can see all the steps here. dw, when you do dot product 4x dx plus 3y square dy you will get. So w is nothing but integral. When you're doing total work done, have to integration. Integral 4x dx plus 3y square dy. So next step I have written. After this step, next step I have written here. W is equal to next step. Next step I am writing here. W is nothing but 4 integral 1 to 2 x dx plus 3 into integral 2 to 3 y square dy. Integral x dx is nothing but, you know, integral of x to the power of n dx is nothing but x to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1. Here power is how much? 1. 1 plus 1 by 2, x square by 2. Similarly, y square means y cube by 3 you will get it. So then you process of integration, you know, in mathematics. To do calculation work done, 2 into 4 minus 1 plus 27 minus 8 you are getting. So this is 27. 6 plus 19. So this is 3 into 6 plus 27 minus 8 is nothing but 19. 19 plus 6, 25 joules. So change in kinetic energy is work done, that is nothing but 25 joules. You should get work done is equal to change in work and kinetic energy are one and the same. Work done is nothing but change in kinetic energy. Next question. Next question you see, this is also a very important problem. A ball of mass 100 grams. A ball of mass 100 grams is dropped from a height h that is nothing but equal to 10 centimeters. H is nothing but 10 centimeters on a platform fixed at the top of the vertical spring. There is a spring here. The ball stays on the platform and the platform is depressed. Because of this weight, what is happening? Platform is getting depressed by a distance how much? H by 2. So platform, when ball is there, when no weight is there, spring is unstretched. So whenever the ball comes and just touches this platform, due to the weight of that 100 grams, what will happen? spring gets compressed. Compressed by how much distance? H by 2. So spring gets compressed by H by 2. So then this spring constant is. So total work done here in this case here compressed by, this is getting compressed by, this is compressed by what? This is compressed by H by 2. Compressed by H by 2. So work done is nothing but equal to work done. Work energy theorem we are using. Here U is equal to 0. Initial velocity is 0. Finally also velocity will be 0. Here initial velocity will be 0. Here finally also velocity will be 0 here. So here this is carrying by H by 2 here. This is nothing but equal to H by 2. So work done, nothing but change in kinetic energy. Work done is nothing but change in final velocity is 0, initial velocity is 0. Work done is what? What work done by gravitational potential energy will be there. What is the work done? Total work done. It is falling from a height h. Further it is going by h by 2. H plus h by 2. Gravitational potential. It's coming down, g will be positive. So it's coming down in the direction of gravity, mg into h plus h by 2. Work done by spring. Work done by spring, half kx square. Half kx square. X is nothing but compression, nothing but how much? H by 2. Minus half kx square. Delta k is 0. Why delta k is 0? Initial velocity is 0. Finally also velocity is 0 only. So work done is nothing but equal to 0 here. This is nothing but equal to 0. Don't see this line, Nana. Don't see this line. So in pen sometimes the u0, initially u is 0, finally velocity after compressing also velocity is 0. So mg into h plus h by 2. H plus h by 2. H plus h by 2. Mg into 3h by 2 is nothing but equal to, this is 0. If send that side, it will become half kx square. What is x? Compression is nothing but h by 2. What is x here? X is nothing but equal to h by 2. H by 2 whole square. H by 2 whole square. Here h by 2 is there. Here h by 2 whole square is there. Take it out. You are going to get 3 mg into 2 into 2. 3 mg. I'm cross multiplying. 3 mg into 2 into 2. 3 mg into 2 into 2 is nothing but equal to k into h. K into h. I want to find spring constant. What is the h value? H value is nothing but 10 centimeters. H value is nothing but 10 centimeters. 4 and 12 mg. 12 mg is nothing but equal to k into h value is how much? 10 centimeters. 10 centimeters means 0.1 meters. 10 centimeters. So what is h value here? I am writing here h value is nothing but 10 centimeters. In SI system, h value is how much? SI system, h value is nothing but how much? 0.1 meters. 10 by 100. Okay, that's why I written 0.1. So k spring constant. Well, m value is how much? 100 grams. Again, mass is also, but converting to SI system, 100 by 1000. 100 by 1000. Well, m into g. G value taken as 10 by h. H means 0.1. Nothing but h value nothing but 0.1. 0.1. If you calculate, what will happen? These two zeros gets cancelled. 10 into 0.1, it will become 10. Gets cancelled. Yes, this 10 will get cancelled. 12 by 0.1. So k will become 120. K will become how much? 120. 120 Newton per meter. So the value is how much? Integer type question. This is nothing but how much? 120 Newton per meter. What we are doing is work done is nothing but change in kinetic energy. Work energy theorem. Mg into, it is falling from a height h plus h by 2. Mg into total potential energy, it is falling through h as well as through h by 2. Because spring is getting compressed by h by 2. Mg into h plus h by 2 is minus half kx square. Work done by spring is negative. Work done by spring is negative. Work done, gravitational potential energy is equal to 0 because change in kinetic energy is 0. If you do all this calculation, you are going to get spring constant value. You know spring constant K depends on nature of the material. So spring constant units are Newton per meter. Spring constant units are Newton per thinking type questions. This is also very, very important problem. Equilibrium questions. Equilibrium position questions. Equilibrium position questions here. U, what is U? Potential energy. function of r is given by a by r to the power of 10 minus b by r to the power of 5, where r is the interatomic distance. Potential energy as a function of r is given by u is equal to a by r to the power of 10 minus b by r to the power of 5, where r is the interatomic distance. A and b are positive constants. The equilibrium distance between the two atoms will be the equilibrium distance between the two atoms. That means r is asking. So how to do this? So potential energy, I'm writing potential energy. So A by r to the power of 10 minus b by r to the power. This is called what? Potential energy. So equilibrium means what? Force should be 0. Force is nothing but what? Minus du by dr. So potential energy, this one. Force is nothing but minus du. You are differentiate. When you are differentiating this, so I want to differentiate this one. A constant. So if you go up, it goes up r to the power of minus 10. R by r to the power of 10 will become r to the power of minus 10. Differentiation you do r to the power of minus 10, what you will get? Minus 10 into r to the power of minus 10 minus 1 minus 11 it will become. So you know differentiation, I think. A by 1 by r to the power of 10 will become r to the power of minus 10. Minus 10 into r to the power of minus 10 minus 1 r to the power, because d by dx of x to the power of n is equal to n into x to the power of n minus 1. Here n value is minus 10. Minus 10 minus 10 minus 10 minus 1 minus 11. Similarly, I'm writing here next step here b minus b into r to the power of minus 5 into r to the power of minus 6 minus 5 minus 6 minus 6. This should become 0 at equilibrium. At equilibrium means what? Force should be 0, right? At equilibrium force should be 0. F is 0, force is 0. So that concept, if you know, you can do this problem. How to do this problem? One is mathematics, differentiation, F is equal to minus du by dr. You should know at equilibrium, force should be 0. The equilibrium, force should be 0. So force is 0, left side 0, minus 10a r to the power of minus 11 plus 5b r to the power of minus 6. So send that side, what will happen? Send that side 10a r to the power of minus 11, nothing but equal to 5b r to the power of minus 6. We want r actually. Then we are doing 10a by 5b. 10a by 5b, nothing but equal comes this side r to the power of minus 6. 10a by 5b r to the power of minus 6 by r to the power of minus 11. So it will become r to the power of 5. It will become r to the power of 5. 5 goes 2 times. 2 times. So it implies that last step I am writing here 2a by b. 2a by b is nothing but r to the power of 5. What is the value of r? R is nothing but interatomic distance. R value nothing but 2a by b. R value is nothing but 2a by b. Tell me students, 2a by b whole power 1 by 5. The problem is happening here. Leave it. So here R implies what? I am writing the answer here. I am writing the answer. What is the 2a by b whole to the power of 1 by 5? R is nothing but what? Here 5 is there to the power of 5. This side will come. If you remove this, R is nothing but 2a by b whole power R to the power of 5 2a by b. This is the answer. You can easily know. So I'll write here, student. Don't worry. I will write here because pen is giving difficulty. R is nothing but equal to 2a by b whole power 1 by 5. Whole power 1 by 5. This side power. I think you understood. 2a by b whole to the power of. This is the answer. So what is the main concept here? Mathematics you can easily tally because you are mathematics students. But even then I am doing at equilibrium force is equal to 0. My interest is force is 0. So I'm doing remain math. Of course, mathematics also you should be smart enough to do it. Otherwise, problem will learn because there are a by b whole to the power 1 by b by b whole to the power of 1 by 5 is there. Answer is 2a by b whole to the power of b by 2a whole to the power of 1. So answer is C. So next question. Next question. This is theory question. So far we did problems. Some theory question for relaxation we have got. A stone of mass m is tied to a string is being whirled and rotated in vertical circle. You know vertical circle. This is called vertical circle. It's called vertical circle with a uniform speed. Speed is everywhere same instantly. The lowest position is called highest position. But it is somehow made to, actually speeds will be different. Somehow it is made to move with same speed instantly. Here, there is a so tension the string is tension string. This is called lowest point. This is called highest point. Tension always will be minimum at the highest point. This is vertical circle. This is called vertical circle, but is somehow maintaining same speed. So what is tension at A lowest point maximum? This is maximum tension with their lowest point. That is nothing but equal to mv square by r. R is nothing but radius of circle. Mv square by r plus mg you will get. Because tension minus mg, here tension T1 will be there. Tension TL, weight will be there for this. So mv square by r, tension is nothing but tension minus mg. Tension minus mg is equal to mv square by r. Tension at lowest point is mv square by r plus mg. Tension at highest point, this is minimum tension. You need not write equation for you. I am telling you mv square by r minus mg. Remaining places you will get mg cos theta, something like that. So tension always, you see the answers. A stone of mass m is tied to a string built in a vertical circle is important, but with a uniform speed. Speed is same. Generally, speed will be different. So sometimes you can make it move with constant speed by supplying the force. So string is same throughout the motion, he told. Tension is not same. Horizontal circle means tension will be same. This is vertical circle. This is called vertical circle. Vertical circle. Vertical circle, tension will be changing. So it is minimum. Same throughout what is called minimum at the highest point. This is the highest position. Minimum at the, this is called minimum at the highest position of circular path. Minimum at the lowest position. No, that is maximum actually. Minimum when the rope is horizontally told. When the rope is horizontal means like this. Horizontal means that is not in between maximum and minimum. So tension is always minimum at the highest position. Okay. This is what theory question. Vertical circle. Now again, one more question. Work for energy only. A 0.5 kg block is moving at a speed of 12 meters per second. Compresses the spring to a distance of 30 centimeters when speed is half. If there is a 0.5 kg block is there, moving with a speed 12 meter per second, 12 meter per second, compress the spring. There is a spring here with natural length. Is compressing the spring to a distance of 30 centimeters. Is compressing the spring to a distance of 30 centimeters. This thing. Spring constant we don't know. Same, work done is nothing but equal to change in kinetic energy. Work done, change in kinetic energy. So work done is nothing but what? Work done is nothing but half kx square. Work done is nothing but half k, that is x square is 30 centimeters. Delta k, initial speed. What is initial speed? 12. Then spring speed is half d2. 12 square minus 6 square. Speed is half. So half k x. X is how much? 30 centimeters. Nothing but how many meters? 0.3 meters. 0.3 meters. 0.3 meters. 0.3 whole square. Nothing but half. Mass is how much? 0.5. 12 square 144 minus 36. So half gets cancelled here. K into half gets cancelled. K into 0.09. K into 0.09. K into 0.09. Nothing but equal to 0.5 into 108. 0.5 into 108. So K value, here I am writing K value 0.5 into 108. 108, 0.5 into 0.5 means half. 108 by 2. 108 by 2, 54. 54 by 0.09. will become 5400 by 9. 5400 by 9. 5400. 54 0.9 by 100. 600. K value is how much? 600. This is again, if you want to shift the style right here, K is equal to 5400 by 9. This step. So there's nothing but 600. So value is nothing but integer type question. 600 Newton per meter. So work done is equal to change in kinetic. Simple principle is work done by spring. Work done to spring is nothing but equal. Actually, minus half k square will come, but you have to take final minus initial half m 6 square minus 12 square. I removed minus sign. Why? Because minus half kx square, change in kinetic energy also negative. Half m 6 square minus 12 square. If I write 12 square minus 6 square, I can write positive here. So don't worry about the positive negative sign. I explained now. K is equal to 600 Newton per meter. So this is gamma ratio specific heat. This is heat question actually. Simply what is the answer? Gamma formula is Cp by C, ratio specific. This is heat question, not connected. But gamma is nothing but 1 plus 2 by F now, where F is called degrees of freedom, where Cp is called molar specific heat of gas at constant pressure, molar specific heat of gas at constant volume. That's nothing but equal 1 plus 2 by F. F is nothing but what? Degrees of freedom. We will get in kinetic theory of gases. So answer gamma is 1 plus 2F, 2 by F. The earlier question also will keep the answer 600 capital. So next, this is you leave it vertical circle question. So this type of question, so we'll take now waves now. Now next topic is waves and sound. We are having waves and sound, and wave optics is there. Waves and sound. So there are equations of two waves. Waves are there now. What is now? Work for energy over now. Work for energy and circular motion questions we have seen. Y1 you are seeing now. 5 sine 2 pi x minus vt. 5 sine 2 pi inside you bring 2 pi x minus 2 pi vt. 2 pi vt. Y2 is nothing but 3 sine 2 pi x minus 2 pi vt same plus 1.5 into 2 pi. This is called angle. What is the phase difference between these two? He is asking waves are the amplitude of the resulting wave is telling. What is the amplitude? First one, A1 amplitude is 5. A2 amplitude is 3. What is the phase difference between these two? Phase difference. What is the phase difference? Is nothing but if you final minus initial, if you take this will get cancelled. You are going to get 1.5 into 2 pi. 1.5 into 2 pi. That's nothing but equal to 3 pi. Phase difference is nothing but 2 pi. One amplitude A, second amplitude 3. So what is the resultant amplitude? Parallelogram law you are using under root of A1 square plus A2 square plus 2A1 A2 cos 3 pi. Cos 3 pi. Cos pi is minus 1. Cos 3 pi is also minus 1. Cos pi is also odd multiples. Cos pi is minus 1. Cos 180 degrees is minus 1. Cos 3 pi is also minus 1. Cos pi is also minus 1. Cos 0 is 1. Cos 2 pi is 1. Cos 4 pi is 1. Therefore, if you write the answer now, AR under root of 3 square plus A1 is 3. A1 is 5, A2 is 3. 5 square plus 3 square plus 2 into 5 into 3 into minus 1. Cos 3 pi is nothing but how much? Minus 1. So 2 into 5 into 3 into minus 1 into minus 1. So 15 into 2, 30, that minus 30. So it will become how much? 25 plus 9 minus 30. Minus 30. So 25 minus 30 minus 5. 9 minus 5, 4. Resultant amplitude is nothing but root 4 now. Nothing is that this line is not there now. 25 plus 9. If you want, I will keep here AR. 25 plus 9. 25 plus 9, 34 minus 30. So AR is nothing but root 4 AR is nothing but 2 centimeters. This is the answer, 2 centimeters. So you please see, this is a very important question, very good. So what some problems are discussed, quick revision, it will give a concept to other problem also. Student. If you observe 10 problems, it is equivalent to 20, 25, 30 problems. The same model, a little bit different, very different you can do it. That's what we are telling you. So you can't do all problems. That is short span is there for example. You have to prepare for IP examinations as well as for a regular student. For example, long term means no problem. So, but generally JEE students, regular students will be more. So, in that case, what we have to do is you have to catch the concept. So, 2 pi x minus 2 pi v is called velocity, t is called time, 2 by x is called path difference and all that. So, bracket sine angle is angular name. So, what is the phase difference between these two? Phase difference is nothing but 1.5 by 2 pi, 3 pi. Cos 3 pi is minus 1. If you do all these things, so I'm going to get 2 centimeters. Next question I'm going. Two light beams of intensities 9:4. These were standard questions and important questions. I1 is to I2. Interference. You know interference. Two light beams under 9:4 are allowed to interfere. Allowed to interfere. Ratio of maximum intensity to ratio of intensity maximum to minimum. What is maximum? What is minimum? Maximum formula. Maximum intensity by maximum ratio of maximum intensity to minimum intensity. What is ratio of maximum intensity to minimum? Formula root I1 plus root I2. Maximum intensity root of whole square by divided by whichever is bigger, root I1 minus root I2. Minimum intensity is root I1 minus root I2 whole square. So what is root I1 proportional to 9, right? Root 9 plus root 4 by root 9 minus root 4 whole square. So maximum intensity formula is root I1 plus root I2 whole square. Minimum intensity is I1. So root I is how much? 3. This is 2. 3 plus 2 whole square by 3 minus 2 whole square. So I maximum by I minimum. I maximum by I minimum 3 plus 2 by 3 minus 2 whole square. So 5 square 25 by 1. You are getting 25 by 1. 25 is to 1. This is coming now. 25 by 1. So therefore I maximum to I minimum, I maximum to I minimum is nothing but equal to 25 by 1. So answer is 25 is to 1. So you have seen, I think, maximum intensity root I1 plus root I2 by root I1 minus root I2. This is an important question. Root I1 intensity is how much? 9 units. So root 9 plus root 4 by root 9 minus root 9 minus root 4 whole square. Root 9 is 3 plus 2 whole square by 3 minus 2 whole square. 5 square 25 by 1. So this is the answer. This is a easy and important problem. So because all questions we cannot solve, there are so many 30 questions he has given. I'm doing you all types of questions now. Even though we're having some 3, 4, 5, 6 questions, we leave also. I have to cover wave optics also, right? Cover wave optics also. So here, first to overtone frequency of open pipe, open argon pipe. What is first to overtone frequency of open argon pipe? Is equal to fundamental frequency of closed argon pipe. Length of the closed pipe is argon pipe is 20, but length of the open pipe is how much? Is asked integer type question. What is first overtone of frequency open? First overtone means second harmonic. First overtone means first overtone open pipe is nothing but second harmonic. Second harmonic. What is second harmonic? What is the first overtone frequency of open pipe? Second harmonic 2V. V is velocity of sound. 2V by 2L, length of the open pipe. That's nothing but V by length of the open pipe. So 2V, V by 2L actually formula. Second harmonic means 2 into V by 2L naught. L naught to open pipe. This will be equal to closed pipe. Closed pipe Next one. Closed pipe. Nothing but equal to V by 4 length of the closed pipe. These two are equal, is telling. These two are equal. NO is nothing but equal to NC, or NC is equal to NO. So NC. So NO, what is NO? V by L naught. Is asking the length of the open pipe only. So here V by 4 length of the closed pipe is how much? 20 centimeters. Length of the closed pipe is 20 centimeters. VB gets cancelled. It implies that L naught is length of the open pipe is nothing but 80 centimeters. So NO is nothing but 2V by 2L naught, V by L naught. NC is nothing but V by 4L. They are equal, is telling. They are equal. NO is equal to V by L naught is nothing but 4 into length of the closed argon pipe is 20. Length of the open pipe is nothing but 80 centimeters. The answer is 80 centimeters. Edge type question. So again I will write, shall I write, if you get this line, ignore actually. For you it is coming or not, I don't know. So again I'm writing NO is nothing but NC, V by L naught, nothing but V by 4 into 20. So length of the open pipe, nothing but equal to 80 centimeters. Here, question on beats he has given. A set of 20 tuning forks is arranged in series of increasing frequencies. If each fork gives 4 beats per second. 4 beats means what? Difference in frequencies. 4 beats per second he has to give. 4 beats per second. Just for preceding fork. And the frequency of last fork is twice the frequency of first one. Then frequency of last fork is. For example, N1 is the frequency of first fork. Frequency of first fork. Frequency of first. Frequency of first. Last fork 20 forks are there. This is the frequency. Last fork 20 forks are there. What is the frequency of last fork is asking. This is the frequency of the last fork. How many number of terms are there? 20 terms are there. 20 tuning forks are there. Remember, this is arithmetic progression. Common difference, beats delta n, or that is called common difference, nothing but equal to 4. So you take arithmetic progression. What is the arithmetic progression? Last term is nothing but equal to AP, arithmetic progression. Last term is nothing but first term. This is called first term. A, number of terms is 20. So A plus n minus 1 into common difference. So it is twice. Last fork is greater than initial. Last term fork is n2, you want to find out. Last term n2. So A, what is A? A is nothing but, we want n2. So A is nothing but n1. N1 is nothing but, what is the relation between n2 and n1? He is asking n2. So what is the relation between n1 and n2? N2 is nothing but 2n1. So n1 is nothing but what? N2 by 2. N2 by 2. Because I want n2 only. So A I am writing as n2 by 2 plus number of terms 20. 20 minus 1, 19. Common difference is 4 here. N2 minus N2 by 2. It will become N2 by 2, nothing but equal to 76. N2 by 2 is equal to 76. So what is N2 value? N2 value is nothing but 2 into 76, 152. Last fork value is how much? 152. So this is arithmetic progression. AP means arithmetic progression. Last term is equal to first term plus n number of terms minus 1 common difference. N1, N2 is 2n1. Please see here this one. N2 is 2n1. N2 is 2n1. N1 is N2 by 2. J is called N1. N1 N2 by 2 I am writing because I want last four. N2 minus N2 by 2. N2 by 2 is equal to 76. So nothing but 152 heads. 152 heads. So Doppler effect. An observer moves towards stationary source of sound with a velocity equal to 1/5 of the velocity of sound. Observer moves towards. What is V0? Observe velocity. Observe V by 5. V is called velocity of sound. V is called velocity of sound. 1/5 velocity of sound. Percentage change in frequency. What is apparent frequency in Doppler effect when observer is moving? V moving, observer moves towards. Towards means V plus V naught by V naught. So he is asking percentage change. So n dash is nothing but n V plus V by 5 by V. So n dash is nothing but equal to n into 4V by 6V by 5, 6V by 5V. VV gets cancelled. So n dash is nothing but how much we are going to get? 6n by 5. The 6 is there, students. 6n by 5. So it is greater than n dash. What is percentage change in frequency? N dash minus n by n. Percentage change you want, delta n by n. N dash minus n, 6n by 5 minus n by n. 6n by 5, 6n by 5 minus n by 5. 6n by n by 5, and that means it will become 1 by 4. 1 by 5. So this is percentage. What is meant by percentage? Percentage is nothing but n dash minus n by n. Nothing but 1 by 5 into 100. 1 by 5 into 100 percentage. It will become 20%. It will become 20%. The answer is 20%. So this is a Doppler effect. Let us now go to wave optics now. So this is easy. So theory question. Wave gets refracted in denser medium. Anyway, going to rarer to denser, what will happen is, I am telling theory question for this, wavelength and velocity will change actually. Wavelength and velocity changes. This is called wavelength, this is called velocity. Frequency remains constant. Frequency is constant. If it going to rarer to denser, this is not light wave, it's sound wave. So what will happen when rarer to denser, wavelength, sorry, even light wave also, wavelength decreases. Wavelength going denser, wavelength decreases, velocity decreases. First answer is what? Lambda decreases. Theory concept. Sometimes they are giving JEE main theory question, simple theory question. Lambda b decrease velocity. Frequency remains constant. This is the answer. So wavelength, speed, frequency decreases, wrong. Wavelength increases, speed decreases, wrong. Wavelength and speed decreases, that is correct, but frequency remains constant, that is correct. Remaining we need not see. Wavelength and speed will decrease. Frequency remains. This is called frequency. Frequency remains constant. Frequency is constant. This is called frequency. Next question. So we are going to, so many problems are there. Then we are going to wave optics now. Wave optics. Wave optics, when we are doing sound, sodium light wave of wavelength lambda 1, nothing but 650 nanometer. Lambda 2, 655 nanometer. Lambda 655 nanometer. I think we solved in wave optics solved some questions now in interference, that is the wave optics only. Waves only, some questions we solved. Still time is there for me. Some time is there. 10 minutes time is there for me. 1 hour class. So sodium light of wavelength 650 nanometers and 655 nanometers is used to study diffraction. This is called diffraction. The single slit of aperture 0.5 millimeter. The distance between slit and screen is how much? So no, diffraction single slit. Diffraction single slit. The diffraction single slit. Diffraction single slit. What is a maxima condition? What is the maxima condition? Then A is slit width A into, so what is the separation between the two positions? Path difference we are writing. Let us say one position is nothing but y1. What is 2n plus 1? 2n plus 1 maxima condition. 2n plus 1 lambda by 2 A is slit width. This path difference. So y1 is one position. So he is telling distance between slit and the separation between positions. The first maxima is telling. First maximum is n value is 1. 2 into 1. 2 plus 1, 3. So y1 answer is 3 general position, 3 lambda by 2a. A is called slit width. So y1 is nothing but lambda. I'm writing here. Y1 is nothing but equal to the lambda 1 you can write. Y1 is nothing but, I'm writing here 2n plus 1, 2n plus 1, lambda 1 by 2a. Y2 is nothing, Y2 is nothing but 2n plus 1, lambda 2 by 2a, lambda 2 by 2a. So he's asking difference. When you calculate difference, y2 minus y1, separation between maxima is calculating. Y2 minus y1, 2n plus 1 means what? 3. N is value is 1. N value is 1 if we take. I told you this is nothing but equal. Y1 is nothing but equal to 3 lambda 1 by 2a. Y2 is nothing but 3 lambda 2 by 2a. So 3 by 2a lambda 2. 3 by 2a lambda 2 minus lambda 1. Lambda 2 minus lambda 1. So what you do is calculation you take care of, student. Slit width millimeters here. What is aperture? This is called aperture. I am writing value. A value is how much? A value is nothing but 0.5 millimeter. Millimeter means 0.5 in 10 power minus 3. 10 power minus 3. You have changed those meters. In nanometers, this is nanometer. Lambda 2 nanometers. So lambda 2 655 nanometers, 10 to the power of minus 9 meter. Lambda 1 is nothing but 650 in 10 to the power of minus 9 meters. So substitute here nanometers, you are going to get the answer. You can see the answer, separation between portion. I think what is the number you calculate? 3 by 2a. A means nothing but 0.5 into 10 to the power of minus 9. If I do calculation here, if you want, what is the separation between maximum? Y2 minus y1. I am doing here calculation. Please see to it. 3 by 2a. A means what is the a value? 0.5 in 10 power minus 3 and 5 into 10 power minus 4. 5 in 10 power minus 4. Lambda 2 minus lambda 1. 655 minus 655. 5 into 10 power minus 9. 5 into 10 to the power of minus 9. This will become 10. 10 power minus 4. So 5 gets, sorry. 5 here, 5 here gets cancelled here. So 3 by 2. 1.5. 3 by 2. 655, 650. 3 by 2. 5 gets cancelled. 3 by 2. This will become 3 by 2. Please see calculation. 10 to the power of minus 9. 10 to the power of minus 4. It will become 10 to the power of minus 5. So we are going to get 1.5 in 10 to the power of minus 5. Acha, we didn't take the lambda d, sorry. Lambda 1 d and lambda by 2 d also at multiply, sorry. D, distance between screen and screen, 2 meters we didn't take. D, lambda d, you have take. D also you have take. D is how much? 2 meters now. If you multiply with the 2 meters here, lambda d into 2 meters, you can multiply here. 3 by 2 into 2 will become 3 here. So answer is nothing but 3 in 10 power minus 5 meters. So I'm sorry, here when you are keeping lambda d, you are keep. So that is a y1 is nothing but y1 is lambda d. This is also lambda d. D means what? D is nothing but 2 meters. Distance between slits and screen. Distance between slit and screen. This is nothing but d. And this is slit width. Okay, students. Next question. Two light beams having intensities. I1 is equal to I. I2 is equal to 9I. Two light beams having intensities I and 9I interfere to produce fringe pattern on the screen. Interference. The phase difference between the two beams is pi by t. Initially, what is the phase difference? Phase difference is nothing but equal to pi by 2. Phase difference is nothing but pi by 2. Initial final phase difference is nothing but pi. Then the difference between resultant intensities at P and Q. So what is resultant intensities? First pi by 2 he told. What is the formula I am telling? Intensity difference, IP, intensity. I am giving formula I1 plus I2 plus 2 root I1 I2 2 1 and cos phi 1. So IP intensity of P is nothing but equal to I1. I1 value is nothing but I. I2 value is nothing but 9I. Here cos pi 1, cos pi by 2, cos pi by 2 0. Anyhow, this will not come. What is cos pi by 2? 0. So this term, even though you keep values, this is nothing but I plus 9I, nothing but 10I you are going to get. 10I you are getting. 10I you are going to get. 10I you are going to get. So IQ I1 plus I plus 9I into 2 root 2 root 2 root I1 I2. I1 I2 means I1 I2 means I into 9I. I into 9I cos pi. Cos pi. Cos pi means minus 1. Therefore, intensity Q is nothing but equal to 10I. This is minus root 9I square. Root 9I square. 2 into plus 2 into 9I square. 9I square means I'll get 3I into cos pi means minus 1 I'll get. 10I minus 6I is nothing but 4I I'll get. 4I I'll get. So 4I I'll get. So this is IQ. 10I is to 4I. So difference is asking, sorry. IP minus IQ. IP minus IQ means 10I minus 4I. How much it is? 6I. Answer is nothing but 6I. Answer is this. I think students, we are having just one question, just we'll see 1 minute time is there. This is easy. Independent 4 is to 1. I maximum plus I minimum by I maximum. Some of the questions I discuss maximum questions. I maximum plus I minimum. Just last question. Automatically this program will get terminated, I think. So far you see any difficulties there? Run messages 5 by 5. I maximum. What is I maximum? Two potential intensities. What is I1, I2? I1 by I2 is nothing but 4 by 1. What is I maximum? 4 plus 1 whole square. I1 plus root I2 whole square. Root 4 plus root 1 whole square. Nothing but I maximum. What is I minimum? Root 4 minus root 1 whole square. That is called I minimum. So you calculate value of x. So with this root 4 plus root 1. 3 plus 1 whole square. Sorry, 2 plus 1 whole square. 2 plus 1 whole square. That is I maximum is 9. I minimum is root 4. 2 square 4. Sorry. Root 4 2. 2 plus 1 whole square. This is 9. 9. 2 minus 1 whole square. 1. So difference 9 minus 1. 9, my maximum minus I minimum. I maximum plus I minimum. I have 9 plus 1 by 9 and minus 1. 9 plus root I maximum plus I minimum. 9 plus 1 by 9 minus 1. So it is nothing but I maximum plus I minimum. 9 plus 1 by 9. This is nothing but equal to 5 by x. 5 by is nothing but equal to 5 by x. So this is nothing but 10 by 8 is nothing but 5 by x. The x will be equal to 4, I think. X will be equal to 4. You can calculate x value how much. So this is the end. Okay, students. Now okay, thank you, sir. Hello, sir. Stop streaming కొట్టాలా సార్ ఇప్పుడు?